these fraudsters, how we can catch all the culprits. There comes my topic. Good afternoon to all the present. This is Sanket Kanabar and I shall be with you for some time on the topic Forensic Audit. First of all, what is Forensic Audit? It's an examination and evaluation of firms or individuals' financial information for use as evidence in court. It can be conducted in order to prosecute a party for fraud or other financial claims. Forensic audit covers a broad spectrum of activities with terminology not strictly defined regulatory guidance. As per as Vasudevan, the ex-joint director of the Serious Fraud Investigation Office of the Department of Company Affairs, forensic audit involves examination of legalities by blending the techniques of propriety, regularity, investigative, and financial audits. Forensic audit evidences thus covered during forensic audit supports various issues like the suspect's motive and opportunity to commit fraud, whether the fraud involve collusion between several suspects, and attempts to destroy the evidences. अब ये forensic audit से क्या फायदा? What are the advantages of forensic audit? There are so many advantages of forensic audit, but to narrate a few: fraud identification and prevention, making sound investment decisions, formulation of economic policies, and rewarding career opportunities. Now, when forensic audit is carried out, forensic audit can be used in cases of suspected embezzlement or fraud, to determine tax liability, to investigate a spouse during divorce proceedings, to investigate allegations of bribery, etc. As such, there are a large number of varieties of frauds. Most of them can be grouped under 6 types of frauds, namely asset embezzlement, bank fraud, corporate fraud, cyber fraud, insurance fraud, and securities fraud. You all might be aware of a recent bank loan fraud by Arya Agro Limited, wherein Chairman Mr. Sanjay Jhunjhunwala was arrested on 4th May 2017. The CBI alleged that the company had defrauded 14 banks, led by UCO Bank to the extent of 3,871 crore rupees, by using 150 shell companies to a group of brokers by creating false invoices and documents of money transfers for non-existent transactions. Here, I would like to highlight a few eye-broadening scams. Waqf Board land scam, 1,50,000 crores. The state chairman of the Karnataka State Minorities Commission submitted a sensational report which alleged 27,000 acres of land which was controlled by Karnataka Waqf Board was misappropriated or allocated illegally. There, in addition to this, other major scams are Colgate scam, 1,86,000 crores. 2D Spectrum scam, 1,76,000 crores. Commonwealth Games scam, 35,000 crores. Satyam scam, 14,000 crores. Don't you think we lose our hard-earned money in such scams? Why common public is not raising concern for forensic audit whenever there is such financial fraud scam? Here, I would like to narrate recent forensic audits. Hiranandani Hospital authorities have assigned forensic audit of organ transplant scam to EY. NSE has been facing second forensic audit. Yes, second forensic audit of trading system. Wherein SEBI has alleged NSE for favoring certain brokers, providing faster access, providing multiple IP and multiple servers. You all might be aware that within just 6 months, 2 top management persons have resigned from NSE, namely Vice Chairman Mr. Ravi Ramakrishna as well as CEO Chitra Ramakrishna. There, the Vice Chairman has made a statement that he has resigned so that SEBI officials can have free hands for investigation. Any layman can understand the reason behind the resignation of top management persons. In view of NPA being as high as 6.06 lakh crores, the government has asked state-owned banks to conduct forensic audit of top 50 defaulters. During post-demonetization period, Axis Bank was held for suspicious transactions. There, the bank has assigned forensic audit to KPMG. Now, when forensic audit is applied, besides fraud detection, forensic audit can be applied in various other fields also, like assessing loss before settling insurance claim, business valuation, professional negligence, management auditing, conducting due diligence, non-compliance of standard operating practices, divorce proceedings, and matrimonial disputes. There is no book that tells us how to conduct forensic audit. It's about solving a puzzle. It requires creativity. Giving special focus on frauds, the Companies Act 2013 has introduced Section 143, subsection 12, which requires auditor to report on every suspected fraud as well as committed fraud against a company exceeding the amount of rupees 1 crore. Forensic forensic auditors are bloodhounds of bookkeeping. These bloodhounds sniff out fraud and criminal transactions from financial records. They hound for conclusive evidence. Unlike external auditors, forensic auditors find out misstatements deliberately and they look beyond the numbers. They make no assumption of management integrity because if they assume so, then there is no need for their appointment. And they have nothing to do with accounting or share standard, but they are keen in exposing any possibility of fraud. Now, what are the special tools and techniques used by the forensic auditors? There are some special tools and techniques used and applied by forensic auditors, like Benford's law, theory of relative size spectrum, computer-assisted auditing tools, data mining technique, and ratio analysis. Now, every coin has two sides, and this is equally true for forensic audit. On one end, there are definitely many advantages of forensic audit, but on the other end, there are few disadvantages also, like confidentiality issue, increased chances of threat and negative publicity, cost a lot of money, and losing employee trust. Of course, in almost all disadvantages, mitigants are there. अब बात आती है हमारे अपने फायदे की. Job and career opportunities in the field of forensic audit. Forensic accounting can be a fascinating and well-paid occupation. Beginning forensic accountants can typically earn between rupees 18 lakh and 40 lakhs annually, whereas seasoned professionals with sound experience can even earn rupees 90 lakhs annually or more. Now, who can do forensic audit? What are the qualifications and qualities required to conduct forensic audit? Fraud examination is the area that is considered to be the monopoly of the chartered accountants because the nature of the expertise it involves in accounting. In addition to being a CA, it is expected by the institutions that a CA should be a CISA or a DISA qualified, along with forensic audit certificate course on the ICI. Again, in spite of this additional qualification, some skills are required, like ability to critically analyze financial statements, ability to grasp internal control system of the client, ability to uncover an abnormal pattern in the accounting information, knowledge of the psychology to understand the thinking and motive behind the criminal behavior, proficiency in information technology and computer network systems, command over civil and criminal law, legal system and court procedures, interpersonal and communication skills. But to explore this highly lucrative field, some actions are required to be taken. Awareness about the forensic audit must be created among public at large. Whenever a fraud is detected, a CA should give public opinion on the bottom level effect of fraud. The reasons of forensic audit should be publicized and disclosed like anything, so that public can come to know about the benefits of forensic audit. Finally, I would like to sum up with a complete chain. Whenever there is a fraud, there is scope for forensic audit. Awareness about the benefits of forensic audit must be created at a very large scale. This would increase its demand. And now comes our role. Be equipped for forensic audit, leave money for yourselves, find out the fraudsters, and bring public money back. Thank you for patiently.